Hello Internet, ako po si Manny Viloria ng swamazing.com. Tara, mag-online business na tayo. Welcome to another Facebook Live video episode. We'll be talking about how productivity helps real estate salespersons earn online. Good morning. Meron po tayong nabalitaan kahapon from Boss Ada na 5 years ago, her approach to real estate was meron siyang notebook. Tapos sa notebook, nililista niya yung mga names ng mga developers at sa mga kada developer, nililista niya yung mga properties. Para kapag may tanong yung mga tao, titingnan niya yung kanyang paper-based notebook. That was 5 years ago. Fast forward to today, year 2020. The property market has exploded, no? Ang dami-dami mga properties, ang dami-dami mga developers. Imagine keeping track of over 1,400 properties and over 530 developers. Hindi na po uubra yung pen and paper. You need to make use of productivity tools which are available today para magamit mo yun. Kaya ako, personally, sinubukan ko, no? I joined and entered the world of real estate, and what happened to me, nalunod po ako. Yes, nalunod po ako sa dami ng mga Facebook groups. Kagabi, nalaman ko kay Boss J that they have 1,000 Facebook groups. Sabi ko, wow, akala ko pa naman madami na itong mga 25 Facebook groups. Meron palang 1,000 Facebook groups. So, I will share with you anong productivity tool ang ginagamit ko para hindi tayo malunod sa dami ng information. Good morning, Bam. Thanks for joining us. Hi, Mary Ann. Good morning. Nathan, thanks for joining us. Okay, the productivity tool that I use is called Notion. N-O-T-I-O-N. Notion. What is Notion? Para siyang Excel, pero nasa web siya. You can visit notion.so to get your free Notion account. So, ang ginagawa, ang isang approach doon ay you create a spreadsheet sa Notion, lagay mo doon, for example, name of property. Meron kang column, property name. Meron kang column na naman, property type. Would it be a house and lot, condo, lot only, townhouse, what else? Location 1, location 2. Halimbawa ng location 1, Cavite. Halimbawa ng location 2, Tanza. As in Tanza, Cavite. Just type. Another column will be price. Magkano ba yung typical price ng property doon? And then the other column is developer. The name of the property developer. And here's where it gets interesting. You can make 2 spreadsheets. So yung unang spreadsheet, yung binanggit ko nung una, yung property. Tapos isang column doon, developer, no? Yung pangalawang spreadsheet ay yung developer mismo. Sa pangalawang spreadsheet, nandun yung isang column, name of developer. Tapos yung second column, contact info. Sino yung broker coordinator, anong pangalan niya. In just one column, you can, para siyang Word na table, madali na mag-enter. As in, hindi ka limitado sa isang row lang, no? One cell can contain agad-agad isang paragraph of text if you want. Yung pangalan, yung email address, yung phone number. And here's where the magic starts, no? Dun sa unang spreadsheet, ilalagay ko doon, let's say, property A, tapos developer 1. Tapos property B, developer 2. Tapos property C, developer 1. Okay? Ini-enter ko lang yan. Anong mangyayari? Pansinin mo yung property A at yung property C, ang nilista kong developer ay si developer 1. What's going to happen? When you go to the second spreadsheet and you look at developer 1, automatically may column doon kung ano yung mga properties na nakalista sa developer na yon. Hindi mo na kailangang i-enter yun twice, no? So, once ko lang in-enter, ito yung name ng developer sa property na ito na naman yung developer sa itong pantlong property, and automatically, mag-update yung pangalawang spreadsheet of developers. So, if in the future, someone asks you, si developer number 4, ano yung mga properties niya? Titingnan mo lang yung developer spreadsheet at meron ng column doon, properties, nakalista na. Automatic. Tapos yung pag pumunta ka doon sa unang spreadsheet, pag may nagtanong sa'yo, what are your properties in Cavite? Pwede mong i-click yung location 1, iso-sort na niya yun, automatically, lahat ng mga Cavite magkakatabi, mababasa mo na kaagad. Ang bilis. Or kapag may nagsabi sa'yo, Eh, yung budget ko is 6 million pesos. Pwede mo nang i-sort kaagad. I-click mo lang yung column na price. Automatically magsusort na yon. Makikita mo kaagad yung prices na arranged. So kahit marami kang data, mas mabilis mo na siyang maiintindihan. Tapos nun, meron kang pwedeng i-add na remarks column. Doon sa remarks column, para kang vlogger. Ilalagay mo doon yung, on so and so date, kinontak ko si broker coordinator Juan de la Cruz. Humingi ako ng ganyan, ano na yung status. So that way, you can check the progress of your marketing efforts. You can also add another column. You can say na attended the product knowledge webinar training. Tapos meron doon checkbox. So kung na-attend mo, i-check mo. Kung hindi mo pa na-attend, huwag mo i-check. So you can quickly see in your Notion.so spreadsheet kung ano na yung nagawa mo. Super bilis. Hindi ka naaasa sa papel kasi yung papel, although useful yan, no? Kasi pag hinulog mo yung notebook mo, hindi naman masisira yan. Although useful yan, pagka dumating ang time na ang dami-dami mo ng data, lalo na yung historical data mo, gusto mo makita what happened to me in the past month, ano bang pinaggagawa ko. Pag sa papel, nakakangawit yun eh. You might run out of time. So, try that productivity tool. It's called Notion. It's free. Notion, Notion.so, yung kanyang website. Before we continue, greet po muna tayo. Nemia, thanks for being here. So, ayan, no? Kung gusto mong kumita online, sa ngayon, 2020, pag-aralan mo ang real estate at ang stock market. So, kapag kumita ka ng malaki sa real estate, pwede mong i-invest yung bahagi noon sa stock market using the free tutorials on trading ni Ganda Ko Trading doon sa traderslounge.ph. Yung sa real estate, meron din free training doon. Check out Luterio Realty, Filipino Homes. Avail of the free training while it's there, no? Kasi it's a no-brainer. Libre na nga. You'll just study it a bit. Ngayon, what is the part that is not free? Disclosure. Kailangan mo ng NBI clearance. Kapag ka nagbayad ka for your NBI clearance for your real estate journey, no? NBI clearance via Dragon Pay and BDO is about 180 pesos. Tapos noon, syempre, magsiset ka na appointment online, pupunta ka sa mall kung saan merong NBI clearance satellite office, pipila ka para makuha mo yung NBI clearance mo. You'll need that. And second, you also need your transcript of records. Kasi when you become a PRC accredited real estate salesperson, kailangan meron kang may sasubmit na proof that you have at least 72 units of college. And of course, meron kang maayos na NBI clearance. So, I'll be getting my NBI clearance siguro in September pa. Ganun kadami yung mga nagsaset ng appointment online. Remember, everything's online now. Kaya sa mid-September pa ako magkakaroon ng NBI clearance. In the meantime, basa ng basa, attend ng mga training, explore ng mga productivity tools para hindi tayo masyado mahirapan. Ayan. So, if you have questions, just let me know. If you're looking for a house, let me know. House and lot condo. Kasi meron na po akong mga kilalang mga tao na may access sa information ng kahit na anong property, halos kahit na anong property sa buong Pilipinas, ay alam nila kung nasaan yun at matutulungan ka. Okay? So hanggang sa susunod, ako po si Manny Villoria ng swamazing.com na nagsasabing invest in yourself before others will invest in you. Maraming salamat po at mabuhay tayong lahat. Ingat po. Para sa mga nagtatanong about the stock market, how to get started, meron pong libreng training, a free step-by-step guide, dun lang po sa lamangangmayalam.com. So check it out. Get your free training in the stock market and in real estate, and I'll see you at the top. Ingat!